You're welcome to my design workshop, where I help beginner content creators build design skills and put them to use. By the end of this lesson, you'll learn a thing or two about how to use magic layers. You'll learn how to upload your flat PNG or JPEG images so magic layers can take them apart. And you'll feel confident enough to try it out on your own. Because in this workshop, we practice what we learn. So, I'm sure you've heard by now that Canva has introduced, drum roll please, magic layers. And you'll find magic layers on the homepage right up here. Once you click on it, you'll have the opportunity to upload some pictures that you can literally take apart. So let's do that. Now, let's bring in something else. Next, I'll be re-editing a slide from a birthday video slideshow I created. Imagine you want to make changes to your birthday design, but simply can't find the original. Let's bring in the flat image and see what magic layers can do. I'll go back to the homepage. And then I will go and click upload. It's over here, birthday wishes, and it will open over here. It's loading now. Loading. Okay, there it is. Okay, I'm going to click on it and it should take me into the editor. Working its magic. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it's taking apart the elements on here. Now, another way we can do this is I'm going to go to the home page. I'm going to go back here. And then I'll go to create design and put in here presentation because it's that size. I'll click on presentation and now I'll go to the upload section. Since I've already uploaded the image, it will be, yeah, it's right there. I'll click on it and then I will set image as background. It's a flat image. Nothing has happened on here yet. Up here on the floating toolbar, there's the edit button. Once I click on that image, two options, page image, you'll see over here, Magic Studio. Under that, what do we see? Magic layers. I'll click on that, see what happens. So this is the other way that you can get your image inside of the editor to apply the magic layers feature. Okay, now image split into editable layers. The background over here is an image, but now because it has taken it apart, I can actually delete it. There. So now I have my white plain background. I'm going to just move this over here. It kind of messed with this the confetti on this side. So I think I'm going to delete this. And since this one still looks good, nothing happened to it, I will. Oh, okay. So since I'm on a free account, they're telling me you're getting close to your plan's monthly AI limit. Got it. Thanks. Okay, let's carry on. I'm going to take this and duplicate it because the other one got messed up by when it went through the magic layer process. Okay. Thankfully, we still have one that's fine. So that's good. And we can also look for another option inside of the element section. I'm going to change the color of the white. So I noticed that if you set the image as background like I did, you're left with a background that can be edited. I'm going to go and select the image, which is this one. And instead of setting it as background, I'll just stretch it out to fit like that. And now I'll go to edit and go to magic layers. Let's see what that does. Okay, now it's given me this background and that one, which can be edited over here. I can change the color, and this one as well can be edited. Here are the colors. I can change them too. So if I come over here, I can change the background color. And if I come here, I can change these colors as well. Yeah, so keep that in mind. Let's go back. Okay, now let's edit this birthday design. I just wanted to point out that as you can see in this image, the cake has a twin. Wanted to let you know that since Magic Layers is in beta at the moment, being tested, it still does have some hiccups. However, I was able to just delete the image and the other twin, separating them. That wasn't my intention. But yeah, I was able to delete the background and then have the other cake. So yeah, just wanted to mention that. And now we have this cake over here. I'll change the background color to this. I'm just going to add new color over here. And then that will become 1C. Uh-oh, what is this? This will become 1CA BB0. Okay, this is the color we're going for the background. And now I'm going to stretch out this brush stroke. You'll see what it would look like shortly. I'm going to stretch out this brush stroke. And then move this cake over here. Let's stretch it out a bit more. I'll tuck it here. Stretch it some more. Okay. I'm just going to move the text. We will change the text shortly. Just going to move the text a little bit. Now with the confetti, we're going to change some of it because we want it to match our theme. I'm going to change this color here to, you just need to click on add color and then I'll type in here 5A 9D A2. So yeah, I'll do the same for this one, or I can just duplicate. But yeah, let me just do the same for that. Click on it. And then I can just change it over here. It's this one. Okay. We'll just tuck that in here in the corner and tuck this over there. All right. Okay, I'm going to change the color of the brush stroke. I'll click on it and click on color. Then type in here CC 96 DC. Okay, that's the color I'm going for. Now it's time to change the color of the cupcake. I'll just change one of the colors. At first, the cupcake was part of the previous background. It was an image. And now that it's been taken apart, it is editable. So I'm going to change the color, this one. Come here to add new color and I will type in here 99D6, sorry, 99D6 DA. And that's it right there. And it's now blue. Okay, I like it. Move the cupcake a little bit to the right. And then I'll increase the size slightly. Now let's change the text. I'll change the text to now. Now, let's celebrate the, I'll just come over here, duplicate this, caps, birthday girl. All right, that's what it looks like. I'm going to change the font to, this one is going to be Josephine Sans. Okay, like that. And then birthday girl is going to come below that. And I will change birthday girl to Aloha. Okay, type it in here. That's it. Okay. Let me zoom in so you can. I'll just zoom in. Yeah, like this. Change the line space to 0.95, 0.95. And the font size will be 72. Yeah, looks like this. I'm going to bring the cake in here slightly. Almost placing the text on it. Yeah, like that. Now let's celebrate the birthday girl. Just raise this up a little bit. Now, let me add something else. I'll come over here and type birthday wishes coming up. I'll change the font size of this to 35. And I'll also change that font itself to Aloha as well. No, I don't want to change all, just that. And I'll bring it down here to the bottom. Go into the element section and find an arrow. Not this one. I'm looking for an arrow without a watermark. So I need a free arrow. This one. I'll turn it around. Okay, we need to flip it. So I'll come this way, bring it here, and flip horizontal. Now I can just spin it around and it will be on this side. Okay, that's it. But so you've learned a thing or two about how magic layers work. Now go on and get creative.